Hi, Daniel. What do you do in your free time?
Hi, Sophia. In my free time, I usually play soccer with my friends. I also like watching movies at home. What about you?
I always listen to music after class. I sometimes go out with my sister.
That sounds nice. Do you prefer going out or staying in?
I prefer staying in because I like relaxing at home. But on weekends, I sometimes go to the park. Do you go out often?
Yes, I do. I often go out on Saturdays. I rarely stay home all weekend. I really like playing soccer, and then eating out afterwards, and then visiting my cousins.
Does your brother play soccer too?
Yes, he does. He usually plays soccer with me. But he never watches movies. He prefers playing video games. Really?
My brother is different. He always watches TV after school. Does he use his phone a lot?
He likes watching cartoons and comedy shows.
He often uses his phone at night. My mom says he uses technology too much.
Sometimes you... But I prefer doing sports in my free time.
That is good. I think sports are healthy.
I prefer quiet activities, like reading and listening to music.
So, you like staying in, and
I like going out. Yes, exactly.
we have different free time habits.